Today we're talking about the one device that makes EV ownership feel smooth, your home charger. This is the EVIQO Level 2 EV charger, rated for 40 amps, pulling 240 volts via NEMA 4050 plug. It's mounted outside and connected through the weather-sealed disconnect box for safety and code compliance. The cable is 25 feet long, plenty of reach without feeling bulky. It stays coiled on the wall holster, and the plug fits my Lightning perfectly, locking in cleanly. From 10% to full, it delivers over 65 kilowatt hours in around 6.5 to 7 hours. I get a consistent 9.3 to 9.4 kilowatt draw. The LED ring pulses when charging. It's visible but not obnoxious, just enough to show it's working, and especially at nighttime, it's cool effect. Best part, the app shows real-time power amp up from 0 to 40 amps in just seconds. No surges, no drops. I've got it set to charge only at night. The setup is just clean, dependable, and daily driver ready. Since installing the EVIQO, I've done 39 charger sessions, totaling at around 965.64 kilowatt hours, and paid just $32.93. That's not a guess. I input my actual off-peak hydro rates. The app auto-calculates each session's cost live. Check out these logs: 65.9 kilowatt for $4.61. These are tracked automatically. EVIQO gives me full transparency on every session, cost, duration, and energy used. No spreadsheets, no memory games. Each session is logged by dates, showing exactly when and how much you charge, and it adds up fast. You can literally see the power draw increase as soon as charging starts. Smooth, accurate, and fast, all while the unit stays outside in all weather, blinking quietly through the night. And hey, if you're watching this and still haven't subbed, what are we doing here? Hit like, drop your EV setup in the comments, and subscribe so I'm not talking to myself out there. More honest tech, more smart gear every week right here on Built for Tech. I've got my chargers set to start at 11 p.m. when power is cheapest. By 7 a.m. I'm full. No waiting, no planning, it just happens. The app lets you set different schedules for weekdays and weekends. I lock it in once and haven't touched it since. So far, over 965 kilowatt hour, all from my driveway. Not one single session failed, not once did I worry about the range. If I want, I can limit charging to 80% or adjust target using Ford Pass, but EVIQO just handles the rest. Charging with EVIQO doesn't feel like charging, it's background noise now. I wake up, truck's ready, that's it. No cables on the ground, no apps crashing, just solid, reliable gear. That if you're thinking of getting a level 2 charger, make sure it's one that actually works with your lifestyle. EVIQO isn't perfect, but for me, it's made charging effortless. And if you guys want to know where to buy this or purchase it, I have a link in the description just in case. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. See you guys next time.